As we all know that we have gathered here to celebrate our 79th Independence Day together. So let us take you on the beautiful journey of our country about how we have achieved such a big milestone starting from 1947 to 2025 and what were the big challenges and difficulties that we faced.
इंडिया की इंडिपेंडेंस या फिर आज़ादी सुनने में तो ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे हमने आज़ाद होते ही सब कुछ हासिल कर लिया हो। कुछ लोगों को तो ऐसा लगता है कि हमने ब्रिटिशर्स से चाय, रेलवेज और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की तरह बहुत कुछ हासिल किया और बस चल दिए डेवलपमेंट की राह पर बिना किसी दिक्कत के।
बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू। भारत से ब्रिटिशर्स को निकालना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था और उसके बाद इंडिया की कंडीशन सुधारना उससे भी बड़ा चैलेंज। इंडिया where the literacy rates were very low and poor infrastructure, people didn't have the basic necessities such as food, water and healthcare facilities. And after all came the religious tension, जिसकी वजह से हमारे देश की यूनिटी और आइडेंटिटी दोनों खतरे में थे। पर हमारे देश के काबिल लीडर्स ने इंडिया को इस मुकाम पर पहुंचाया कि
India became the world's 4th largest economy and 3rd largest purchasing power. We are among the world leaders in software development and IT services. Because in the education sector as well, there has been a significant upsurge. There is no lack of skilled doctors and nurses in our country, along with affordable medical facilities.
If we sum up our journey in brief, then between 1947 and 1950, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, united the princely states.
In 1950 we adopted our constitution, जिससे इंडिया एक sovereign state बन गया। ये एक बहुत मॉन्यूमेंटल कदम था एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डेमोक्रेटिक फ्रेमवर्क एस्टैब्लिश करने की तरफ।
Between 1951 and 1974, 5-year plans were introduced in which the major problems were addressed and steps towards growth were taken. Institutional development, rural upliftment और education जैसी चीजों पर भी काफी ध्यान दिया गया।
In the very phase, India experienced Green Revolution, जिसने न सिर्फ इंडिया की फूड सिक्योरिटी में मदद की बल्कि फूड शॉर्टेज से भी उसको मुक्ति दिलाई। And the agricultural practices has also improved after this, and we also export our agricultural produces.
The defeat in the Indo-China War in 1962 punched the whole nation at its gut. After a stalemate in 1965 Indo-Pakistan War, Indian forces showed its true worth in 1971 war, in which they defeated the same enemy, leading to the creation of Bangladesh.
The turn of the century, when Pakistani troops infiltrated past the line of control, India hit back in the icy conditions in Kargil. Just 45 years after independence, in 1991, the then Finance Minister Manmohan Singh announced the liberalization of the Indian economy and opened the doors of foreign investments, and which gave boost to Indian economy.
1947 से पहले इंडिया में लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी जहां 32 इयर्स तक थी, वहीं 2022 तक ये 71 इयर्स तक आ गई है। Now in 2014, India was also declared polio free by the WHO.
COVID-19 was not just a health crisis. It was a test of humanity, unity and emotional strength. India with its vast population experienced a unimaginable challenge. We saw hospitals full, streets silent, schools closed and millions of lives turned upside down. ऐसे दौर में सामने आते हैं हमारे डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स जो अपनी जान को दांव पर लगाकर हमारे लिए रियल लाइफ हीरोज जैसा काम करते हैं। This was India's true strength, our unity in diversity and our spirit for caring for one another.
As a result to the 2025 Pahalgam terror attack, in which 26 innocent civilians were killed, Operation Sindoor was started by the government of India. And as a result, 9 major terror camps were eliminated and 9 major launch pads were destroyed in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. In the last 78 years, India has had several curveballs in its way. But the resilience India has shown has helped her back all the setbacks.
हिमालय का सीना हूँ, समुंदर की गहराई हूँ, सिपाही की तलवार भी मैं, माँ की लोरी।
मैं चंद्रयान की उड़ान भी हूँ, खेतों की हरी भरी जान भी हूँ।
मैं भारत हूँ, हर जख्म भी मेरा, इलाज भी मैं ही हूँ। हर क्रांति में कृपा और हर हार में प्रार्थना।
ना कभी झुका था,
ना झुकूंगा।
मैं भारत हूँ, कभी झुकता नहीं, सिर्फ उठता और आगे बढ़ता हूँ। Let's celebrate the colors of our freedom with unity and joy. Happy Independence Day to you and your family from DMA.